In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from AliExpress to AutoDS. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type AutoDS Dropshipping Helper, then click Add to Chrome. Approve the permissions if prompted, and log in with your AutoDS account so the extension can connect to your store. I recommend pinning the extension to your toolbar for quick access. This little tool is what enables one-click product imports from AliExpress straight into AutoDS. Next, go to aliexpress.com and look for the item you want to sell. Use the search bar and then filter for quality. Aim for listings with a rating of 4.5 stars or higher, at least 100 orders, and photo reviews that show the real product. Open the product page to confirm details like variations, shipping options, and processing times. Avoid branded or trademarked items to prevent copyright issues that can get your store flagged. With the product page open, click the AutoDS extension icon. Choose Import Product, select the selling store you want to send it to, and set the shipping country that matches your target market. Click Import. After a short wait, AutoDS will pull the product into your account as a draft. Now switch to your AutoDS dashboard, go to Products, then Drafts. This is where you clean up the listing. Edit the title to make it clear and searchable. Rewrite the description in your own words and remove any AliExpress specific wording. Go through the images and remove any with watermarks or supplier logos. Set your pricing with a healthy profit margin and review all variants such as sizes and colors to ensure they map correctly. Choose a reliable shipping method like AliExpress standard shipping for predictable delivery times. If you prefer, turn on AutoDS price optimization to keep your prices competitive without constant manual changes. Before going live, set your automation rules. Enable auto price and stock monitoring so your listing updates when the supplier changes. Turn on auto order to let AutoDS place orders for you when sales come in. Add a price buffer to protect your margins from small cost changes, and enable automatic tracking number updates so customers receive shipping info without you lifting a finger. These settings save hours and prevent costly mistakes. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your product will go live on your store. Finally, once orders start coming in, AutoDS will place the order on AliExpress using your saved payment method, upload the tracking number automatically, and update the order status on your store. Make sure your card is active and funded before relying on automation. That's it. Your streamlined path from AliExpress to AutoDS is ready.